In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting up appointments with Wix Bookings. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking system that lets visitors schedule time with you and receive automated confirmations without any back and forth. First, open your Wix account and launch the editor for the site you want to update. Make sure you're in the main design area where you normally edit text, images, and sections. This is your workspace for everything we're about to set up. Next, let's bring in the booking tool. Look to the top right of the dashboard for the search bar and type appointment. From the suggestions, choose Wix Bookings and click Add to Site. This adds a dedicated scheduling app behind the scenes, complete with calendars, services, and automated confirmations. Essentially a virtual receptionist that works around the clock. Now add the booking element to your page. On the left-hand menu, click the plus icon, also labeled Add Elements. Find the booking category, pick a layout you like, and drag it onto the section where you want visitors to schedule. Think about your most natural entry point, often the homepage, services page, or a prominent section near your call to action, so people don't have to hunt for it. With the element placed, open its settings and enable the next availability feature. This displays the earliest open time slots at a glance, which reduces friction and helps visitors book faster. It's a small tweak that can significantly improve conversion, especially for first-time visitors. Take a moment to resize and align the booking element. Drag the corners to make it large enough to stand out while still fitting your page's layout. Keep it balanced with surrounding content, maintain clear spacing, and ensure text is legible. Visual clarity is key to helping people move confidently through the booking flow. Before going live, finalize your services. Click Manage Services on the element and set up the appointments you offer, assign staff, and define your availability. Use clear service names, accurate durations, and any buffer time you need between sessions. When that's set, click Preview at the top right and walk through the process like a visitor. Select a service, pick a time, and confirm the steps feel intuitive. If anything's confusing, adjust the layout or wording back in the editor. When you're satisfied, click Publish to make your appointment system live. That's all for this video. Your Wix booking setup is ready to serve clients seamlessly. Thanks for watching.